Okie, Ita Mixkanatani. Good morning. It is the dawn of Saturday, the 16th of December 2023. In the lunar cycle, Misamiko Komiato. It's the long night's moon. You want to go out here? Just getting ready. Me and Taylor are going to go walk for several kilometers in the coulee because today is the annual Audubon Christmas bird count for Lethbridge, and I have to cover all of the area from Highway 3 to Whoop Up Drive in the coulees on this side of the river, which is where I normally walk with Spopik and me and the little oxbow of storm drainage below Ridgewood and all of that. So yeah, Taylor's gonna go with me this year. I've never had a companion dog with me on the bird count. This probably doesn't help you attract birds, but I think we'll be okay. It's windy today, so I don't know how much narration I'm gonna do as we're out and about, but we're gonna go look at birds, and I'll probably throw some numbers on the screen at the very least if I'm not able to talk over the wind. We'll see how it all goes. But yeah, today is the Christmas bird count. Gonna go get it on. So we've just come out of the neighborhood, and really from this point on we're counting birds. Anything in the coulees beyond that subdivision's fence line there is what we're doing. Okay, let's go down the hill. Come on, Tay. So yeah, bird count is on. We got to get down to the river because the first thing I like to count is the geese before they take off and start feeding on the stubble fields for the day. So we'll get down to the river quick as we can, walk along the river up to Highway 3, and then start looking at other stuff. Well, we're already start looking at other stuff going down this coulee, but you know. Come within view of the river now. I mean, I guess we're in view of the river way above too, technically, but only birds I've seen so far have been 4 geese, opspiniques, white jaws flying overhead. I'm betting it's going to be a small count for me this year, number-wise. It seems like every year it's getting smaller in here. It's another group of geese. I can just estimate this group. I'm thinking that's between 50 and 60 geese. I'm going to say 60, just to be on the safe side. It's not like I can underestimate the number of geese around here. All right. So they're starting to take off for the stubble fields. It's another little grouping up above here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What? We're gonna go. Just wait. Hey, just get. Wait. All right. This Taylor's getting anxious. Train's passing over. We got some more geese here on the ice. Let's see. 6, 8, 10. What? 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. Who's that? Is that all geese? Yeah. 8, 30, 32, 34, 46, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60. Again, I'm going to say about 60. About 60. So we've seen about 130 geese, including the ones in the sky. And now I'm hearing some in the sky right now. As a matter of fact, they just passed over. I missed maybe 20 geese. Come on. Yeah, I'm going to say about 150 that have been on site now. Is that birds or leaves? Those are birds. Shit, they're too far away for me to see what they are. I'm betting it's Bohemian waxwings, but maybe I'll be able to see from the video. I doubt it. Maybe they'll still be there as we come back around, because we got to go all the way around this oxbow to get out there. We're not going to do that yet. First we got to check the river. Otherwise we're definitely going to lose a lot of waterfowl. Yeah, Taylor. Yeah, this is the first area here where the river is actually frozen over from one side to the other, although very lightly. We got a lot of geese coming up. I seen another 8 pass overhead, and then on top of that there's a magpie that was just over here. So we got 158 geese, 1 magpie, and a bunch of them coming up to count really quick. So I'm probably going to turn off the recorder for a minute, just try to make a count, and then we'll come back on. Alright, so my count amongst this group alone here is about 420 geese. But I'll kind of recount on video, maybe a little bit. But that's about what I'm getting. So I'd say we saw 560 geese so far, roughly, which is down. You think that's a lot, but that's down considerably from other years, where I would see thousands. We'll head over to the bridge. That bridge is my end line. I can look what's beyond it, but I can't pass it. So we'll check that out. Me gonna eat soy. Northern flicker. Whoop. Where you go? Flew in to be on the count. The geese are starting to leave here as I approach. I've seen 260 in the air on the way here, so I'm just counting these guys as they leave. Count these guys quick. Hey, Taylor, kika. There's some other birds over here. Where are they? It's a crow or a magpie or something. I count 326 geese, but there's something else. Maybe a raven, maybe a magpie. I'm going to see as I get closer and see if there's other geese that I just haven't been able to eyeball from my position. But yeah, I'm at 326 now with the ones in the sky. These ones are taking off. Some of them anyway. Come on, Tay. Let's keep going. Where is that corvid? I know I seen something else fly down here. No ducks so far today. No mallards. No golden eyes. I might just be in the wrong park for that. You're stepping on my heels, dude. Let's go. Oh, there goes someone above. Shit. I'm hearing a crow. So that's for sure one crow marked. So I can count what I hear, and I see one too. I see it on the shoreline here. As soon as I get to a clearing, I'll show you. There may be more. Yeah, right here I'll be able to show you. He's taking a bath. Crow bath. Taylor kika. Oh, there he goes. Mate, still. For sure, one crow. And another 326 geese. Let's see what else. Alright, so we got 2 crows here. 2 crows and 1 magpie. Getting a little corvid gathering over here. Yeah, 2 crows and a magpie up there. We'll see the next, when we get to the bridge here, what else we can see. Just as with the porcupine, they don't mind getting information about other animals on the CBC. It's a little family of, little herd of mule deer up here. And I hear humans coming down the trail. Oh yes, joggers. Come here, Tay. Come on, Tay. Let's check this area out up here. Yeah. Yeah, we're just making our way back upstream now. Didn't see anything else near the bridge, nor on the way back along the west side of the pond. So now we're gonna head upstream and start doing some up and down the coulees. Although I think first we'll head as far upstream as we can go to the Whoop-Up Bridge and check that forested area up there. Was hoping maybe we'd run into mallards or the belted kingfisher along this area. Why are you jumping so fast? What do you see? Come on. She wants to tear off after something. Just looking in the water ahead. See if there's anybody. I don't think so. That is disappointing. Did hear a downy woodpecker, saw another flicker in the forest here. We're going to continue through the forest, but we don't got too much further to go. Then we'll probably go up probably the most southern coulee draw. Maybe down another one and then back up toward home. We'll see. Four crows passing overhead. Don't know if you can see them, but I heard a familiar voice back behind me and look back. This is where we just were. Check out who's shown up to the party. Two mature bald eagles, and they're being kind of mobbed by magpies. Yeah, I heard that. Oh, Taylor, Gika. I heard the eagle's mating call. Let's see if we can get a little bit closer to them. Or I don't know if it's a mating call, but it's just a call. You'd think that they sounded like in the movies, like a red-tailed hawk. But they don't, hey? They make a like seagull kind of sound almost. We'll see if we can get up closer to them. Alright, I'm just kind of hiding out here by this cottonwood. Eagles over here. Of course, they're on to me. Gonna make them nervous. Too nervous. Sit still, Taylor. That's nice for the bird count, though. I'm happy about that. Shit. Got another adult bald eagle flying overhead. I don't know if I catch. There he is. Came by to kind of look at these two that are here near me. Yeah, he's making distance. These two are still here. Hey Taylor, sit still. Always moving around. Yeah, cool. My girl. Alright, so we are leaving the riparian forest behind. I did hear the voices of a couple of chickadees as we were passing from the forest. But now we're going to make our way up and down the coulee a little bit. There's a magpie flying right there. It's a lot of birds who I used to find on these Christmas counts that I'm not finding here. Used to be, I think, lark sparrows, tree sparrows, sometimes red poles. I get red poles on the count. Definitely like gray partridge and ringneck pheasant. Neither of those have presented at all today, not even in voice. I don't know, there's a lot of birds, starlings, robins, you know, just this and that. Some of the waterfowl that I'm just surprised, you know, how much the numbers have gone down and the diversity has gone down over the years that I've been doing this exact same Christmas bird count for this exact same stretch. It's been a while that I've been doing this, and I've definitely seen change. Just saw a pheasant run into the brush here, like a female. Definitely a pheasant though. One ringneck pheasant. Good job, Tay. Let's go. Well, we've gone almost 9 kilometers so far, and at this point I'm thinking Taylor and I will just walk the coulee rim a little bit, see what's up this way along the fence line, make our way kind of back toward our own entrance at Heritage, and then I think I might call that a bird count, even though I feel like there's a lot more birds out here that I'm missing. I don't know, I got all day, so I might make a return trip, but I do have some other business to attend to too. So, and Taylor's wearing out. We're both getting hungry. So, bring her home, have something to eat, go attend to my trapping business a little bit, and maybe in the afternoon we'll see. I might do a little bit more bird counting just in the river bottom, see if I can find any of the seeks, the smaller birds, but I don't know. I had that was a pretty good look down there, and I'm sure I missed some chickadees, perhaps. I'm betting those 2 birds we saw at the beginning were Bohemian waxwings, but I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. I can only see who presents, you know. Got a house sparrow here, probably a few of them around, and just at this person's feeder here, they've got house finch visiting. See if they'll come back. It's just a runner going by. Here we go. There's a house finch right here. So I'm going to get a quick count of these guys. If Taylor will let me here. Another family of 6 mule deer headed across the back of Heritage. I've counted, I think, 19 house sparrows and 8 house finches along this back strip, and another magpie. But we're coming close to the end, so I think we'll have my full tally pretty soon. It's about 1:45, and we're almost back to the house now. And that's probably going to be my bird count, unless I do get back at it this afternoon, but I've got some other things to do, so I don't know. Anyway, my count for today, thus far, and possibly completed, is Canada goose, 1,010 Canada geese, 21 black-billed magpies, 6 crows, American crows, 3 northern flickers, 1 downy woodpecker, 3 mature bald eagles, 1 ringneck pheasant, 19 house sparrows, and 8 house finches. So that's about a wrap, I think. And far less birds than, well, less birds than any year before, and far less birds than there were, you know, when I was doing this even 5-6 years ago. It's just been going down, you know. But that's probably part of the climate crisis or whatever, I think, plus avian flu and all of that. So anyhow, that's the bird count for Lethbridge, my part of it, 2023.